How to manage active downloads notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage active downloads notifications on Google Chrome mobile fast and easy. First thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click on this 3 points here, click on it and then click settings, and now of course click this one, notifications, and go down and you will find this one here, active downloads, and click on it. And now as you see, active downloads notifications has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click. And that's it, it's easy, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.